we finished. One is abstract base class model inheritance. Second వచ్చి multi table inheritance. What is the difference between these two? First level is only based on code level inheritance. It is not at all related to database. Table won't created. Second one, multi-table means it is useful for both code reusability and database also. Table also created there. 3/4 yesterday we discussed the third one, multi-level. Multi-level means parent, child, subchild. Like we can go to multi-level. So yesterday, I'm giving a simple example for you. Estimate project in MI project 2. Oh, inside only I created MI only. Okay. Yes. First contact info student. Contact is a abstract base class. After that, student teacher done. The second one I can provide that multi-table contact info student one. I inherited this multi-table. Third one, person is inherited to employee. Employee is inherited to manager. So here 3 I can provide that there. First parent person. Daniki child employee. Employee ki child manager. This type of inheritance is called as multi-level. So that is only happened here. See, parent first called. It contained 2 fields. I inherited these 2 here. This total 4 inherited into this is called as which one? Multi-level inheritance. Parent, child, and subchild. So person, employee, manager. That is multi-level inheritance. Sir, after that, he walk ke. So next I can provide that fourth one. Multiple. Now, any classes multiple inheritance. Sir, multiple is nothing but check it carefully. Here 2 parents are there, sir, P1, P2. This P1 model class, P2 model class given to where? Single child. 2 parents are inherited to 2 children. This type of inheritance is nothing but what it is? Multiple inheritance. And ikkada fields, both I can utilize into here. That is the last class we completed multiple inheritance. So now main important before going to proxy, that is also I will tell. Proxy model inheritance. But before going to that one, interview mainly they are asking what is a model manager. This is important interview purpose and real time also. Then I can explain that proxy model. Sir, what is this model manager? Yesterday I am given some basic idea for you. Model manager. Sir, please tell what is model manager. Provide connection to database. Thank you. So model manager means we can use which class? Core Java. Today there's no Core Java class. కనీసం కోర్ జావా క్లాస్ అన్నాడు. హూ ఈజ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ కూడా తెలియట్లేదా? ఫ్యాకల్టీ బతని గుర్తుపడతారు ఏ క్లాస్. Sir, we can use model manager to interact with the database. That is the main concept. Sir, up to now there is no model manager, but whenever you are using one command, which command we are using? Employee is my model name. Dot. What it is? Objects. Dot all. Every time I'm using same story only. I stored into one list. This list I am sending to the views.py. From there, I can access to the HTML. Same story what I was doing. Same story. ఇప్పుడు దీని ఏం చేస్తంటే I need to cut it. Okay. Now give this up to here. Stored into variable. My wish I'm given as a manager. Now, can I use that variable manager.all or not? Both are same only. But every day I'm using employees.objects.all. I'm getting values. Now, once that type stored into manager, now manager.all. Both should be same. We can get default model manager by using model dot objects property. Sir, where is the proof? You can ask, go to the command prompt chapter. Command prompt. First to start any project server, no problem. Yeah, D drive, CD, Django, 17th March. One project MI project py manage.py run server started. I want to show just for you that objects. Sir, server not required, sorry. Go to shell. Sir, inside shell, how to get the employee details? Shell రాలేదు కదా, ఇక్కడ రాదు కదా, sorry. py manage.py pass as a shell. If it is a normal command, shell will come. Yes. Sir, what is our model name? Any model name. From test app, models, import. What is the model name? Person. Yes, import. Just I want to show type only. The type of what we have to use. Person dot objects. Enough. Dot all don't use. Because just now I separated command. This command I stored into variable. By using that variable, I am asking all the objects. That's up to here. What is the type I am asking? Now check it carefully. Sir, please tell what it is. Manager. Ante internally manager is available there. That is model manager. That is, I am telling, by default, model manager is there internally. Model dot objects is the type of, what is the type and Django dot model manager. ఇది type internally. Now, fine, I am taken here. So now here, what is the first question? So every time the material I'm given small questions, so those questions only they can ask in interview. What is the purpose of model manager? What is the purpose? To interact with database. How to get default model manager? How to get? By using model dot objects property. Third one, model manager is of what type? This is the type. How to get that? How you need to get clarity? Open shell. Inside shell, you can type it. You will get clarity yourself only. ఇది పరిస్థితి. So that model manager, I have to customize. Based on our requirement, we can define and use our own custom model manager. For example, I have an employee model contains 1,000 records. I have an employee contain 1,000 records. What to do? 1,000 records unte ippudu em cheyali? I want to read the data display. Every day I'm using command. This command, you know, very familiar. What it is? Model name dot objects dot all. We know this command. How to get the values? To get all records based on how insertion order it is coming. How you are inserted, same order it is coming. It is not coming by ascending order, descending order, or employee name like that. It never comes. But my requirement is according to ascending order I can require. According to ascending order. Sir, you are attending other batch classes now, like already completed Python, you completed some HTML and some other classes. In other faculties also, they never give notes. Only just listening enough. 1.5 hour listening, enjoying, going ante. 2 months, same only story. They are providing Google IT notes. Sorry, Google classes notes only. You are not writing any notes. Writing. See, whatever classes you can go, not only here. Whenever you're attending any faculty class, is it a KV Rava, Satish Guptana, Srinivasa, Mahesha, Naresha, Suresha? Try to write something at the time of classes, because I will give one PDF, excellent PDF. You can read it, but not able to understand. You can write 10 lines in your own language. Whenever you can open the book, immediately you can understand it. Yes or no? So that's why try to habituate, write the notes every time. Because my regular classes, every time compulsory. Only this batch only, no one writing notes is. Core Python, advanced my morning 7 o'clock batch. He came already my classes. Okay, 9 o'clock batch, evening 4 o'clock batch. Everyone compulsory, I am asking, write the notes is compulsory. Because you can read 100 times or 10 times you can read. Instead of that, one time you can write it. Automatically it is injected to your mind. Yes, sir, no. Suppose my material is there, my PDF I prepared. Okay. I will give my PDF to another expert faculty. Try to explain him. Or you can give another faculty material for me. Sir, can you please explain it? Not possible for me. No chance. Because I know each and every content in material. You can open anything. I'm in a position to explain because I prepared it, I practiced it, so I am in a position to explain it. Other faculty material, can you give me read, explain means 90% no chances. That is the reason I'm telling. That's why whenever you're seeing material na, in the Google Classroom, whenever I posted mistakes, same thing you also doing same mistakes. Okay, why it is not running means that is not my mistake, sir. Your mistake only. You are not copy pasted properly. That's why we are getting errors like that. You are telling me only. You are not copy pasted properly. Instead of that, if you write properly, if you are injected, you never depends upon my notes. Automatically you can practice it. That is the best practice. Aslo, before coming to Naresh Shetty, I am not giving Google Classroom notes, daily classes, nothing. Daily, whatever I'm explaining, they have to write the notes to student. But finally, end of the day, I will give all materials because of future reference purpose. That is the process I followed these many years. But your complete process should be different. Coming, they are sitting ideal. Class is going on their backside, guys. They are always talking, speaking. No notes, nothing. Backbenches like that only, na? But that is not good practicing purpose. That's why you are getting everything. But when you are asking question, you are not in a position to explain. You know everything. In mind, it is there. Everything it is there. But when you are telling, sorry, where you can refer, suddenly I'm asking one question, you are getting doubt. Sorry, tomorrow I will give time. Where you can refer it? Open my Google Class notes. Once you written your notes, you are in a position to idea. Okay, which topic it is on topic. Immediately you can book, you will get idea. Because whenever I'm explanation, you have to write some extra points also. Then open your book, you can understand. Your book, you can go, that guy, that book you can take. Are you able to understand? No. So we have to write our own way, shortcuts and everything. Is it understandable purpose? So next time, any course you have to learn, try to write something. Don't write complete each and every word, employee, EMPLO, like that. Your understandable way, you have to write it. Whatever I'm telling, your understandable way, you can convert it and you can write it for your references purpose, practicing purpose. That's why whenever you're getting error, whenever without seeing my, we're not able to solve that one. Yes or no? Whether you are opening the phone, there is something mistake is there. I did some copy pasting mistakes. Same problem you are doing every day. Otherwise, you have to own practice it. You never get that type of errors. Yes, they're missing slash. He is also missing slash. You stuck there only. Adi, if you write it, you are written slash or not. A simple mistake, small mistake. He is open the notes Google Classroom. I checked it. Here slash is missing. In your project also slash is missing. And where is your logical thinking? When you'll get it, there is no logical thinking. You have only copy paste thinking only. Yes or no? Adi, you can write it. Definitely you put the slash. Pakka. You are seeing my notes. That's why I'm not putting that slash. So that's a, sir, this notes Google Classroom is whenever you're getting doubt purpose only, that is. But, HTML. Okay. So like that, the logical thinking, very important programming. Sir, where we are present, model manager. So now model manager. How to define our, and again next to JavaScript compulsory, you can write the programs. I will tell programming, JavaScript. Why I'm telling all this nonsense story means Monday proxy model, Tuesday, Wednesday deployment. I will tell 2 days it will take a Git, GitHub, version control system. Then Dejong is over. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday onward, JavaScript I will start. In that functionalities programming are there. So, over. Django over. JavaScript అడిగారు వద్దా JavaScript? Your wish, if you are interested, I will tell. Otherwise, no problem for me. Okay. Happily, I will enjoy. Sir, now, insertion order means observe, Nikhileshwar. I'm using populate.py na. At the time of insertion order, I don't know how it is. But at the time of displaying, I want to display ascending order, Nikhileshwar. Insertion, I'm using populate.py. Random employee numbers, random salaries, random name came. I don't know how it is inserted. But my requirement is display ascending order based on salary, or ascending order based on number, or based on alphabetical order. That requirements I have to satisfy. Then I have to define our own custom manager. That is the purpose. Are you getting it? ఇందుకు జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ కావాలా వద్దా నీకు? Sir, now, sir, first of all, class means we have to create one child class. Sir, main class evaru? This is the main class. Who is the main class? Model manager. Weediki we have to create a child class. Then I have to customize. We have to override. Already you know, you are already expert in the Python area. What is meaning of overriding? So many times you are using parent method implementation. I'm not happy. I want to override parent method into child class. That is overriding. So it could go the same concept. I want to create my own class. CUS custom manager. This is the class. Inside what I want to give? Models. Dot. What is the class? Manager. Ipudu, ఈ model manager lo whatever method is there, that method I'm overriding into child class. That is called as overriding. Parent class method, I'm not happy with the child class implementation. I have to override that method. That concept I'm implementing now. So first, we have to create a child class for models dot manager class. ఎందుకంటే this is the main class. వీడికి I am creating as a child class. Models manager class. Once I'm creating, now, sir, whenever you are executing this command, employees.objects.all, అంటే ఇది ఒక class. Here the method is only this method, all method. Whenever I'm executing this all method, internally one query is there. That method executed internally. Whenever we are calling all method, because already separated, where this is a separated based on manager, I'm calling which method? All method. Whenever I'm calling this all method, internally it will call the predefined method get query set. This is the predefined method. So this method I have to override into my child class, because every day whenever I'm executing all method, internal method, this is executed. This is available in this class. Now in child class, whatever I created, I'm overriding this method. That concept is nothing but overriding. To customize behavior, we have to override this method in our custom manager class. Now, my example is to retrieve all employees' data according to ascending order of employee number. We have defined custom manager class. So next to anything we can provide it there. Next time give an example based on employee number, employee salary, less than, greater than, any condition you can give in the custom manager class. దీనికి ఇప్పుడు story, create project. That is the story. Okay. Come here, sir. Exit the shell. Now clear the screen. MA project come outside. Now Django -admin start project. Maximum today one project, Monday one project. Then all projects are over. Final concept only deployment. How to deploy any one project into live, I will show. Django -admin start project. What is the MI project 2? Okay. CDMI project 2. Next, PY manage.py start app test app. Okay, done. This is the way how to create the project. Next, add application in settings.py. Now come to here, close, open MI project 2, settings. In settings, install apps, test app, completed. Sorry. Next, what to do, Subbareddy? Very good, intelligent boy. ఏది అడిగినా ఫస్ట్ మోడల్స్ అంటావు. మోడల్స్ అందుకే మరి కరెక్ట్ అన్నాగా, నేనేమన్నా మోడల్స్ క్లాస్ విచ్ మోడల్ ఎంప్లాయీ మోడల్ ఇన్సైడ్ మోడల్స్. సార్ ఇదంతా మీకు తెలిసిన స్టోరీనే. మోడల్ ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్, ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్, ఎంప్లాయీ శాలరీ, అది పడిందా. ఈ సేల్, ఈ అడ్రస్. models dot, sorry, integer field. Next, models dot character field, max length is required, some 64. E-salary, models dot salary kabatti full field. Address, models dot character field, inside maximum length. ఏంటి రాలేదు, 124. కంప్లీటెడ్ స్టోరీ. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి నెక్స్ట్? అడ్మిన్ వద్దా? మోడల్స్ డాట్ py. నెక్స్ట్ సరే, మేక్ migrations and migrate. Come to here, sir. py manage.py. Make in the make make migrations. Table got created. Migrate, all done. Now go to admin. Here first one from test app dot models import employee. Dear outline suggestion lo. Then now class employee admin inside admin dot model admin completed. Inside what is the variable? List underscore display number name employee salary address. Finally you can go to admin dot site dot register. What I want to register? Employee admin. So these steps a number of times we did. మీరు ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ అయిపోయారు డిజాంగో. admin dot py జాబ్ వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? వ్యూస్ డాట్ ఎందుకు సూపర్వైజరు వ్యూస్ డాట్ py తీసుకొని I want to read and send to HTML file. I can insert data by using populate.py. 100 records kavali. Supervisor chesi how many times it will insert data? 1-2 records means supervisor okay. By using populate, I can insert all the data. Views.py. Now create a view. Def display purpose display view. I am getting one request. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ కావాలి కదా. ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ డాట్ మోడల్స్ ఇంపోర్ట్ ఎంప్లాయీ. నెక్స్ట్ హౌ టు రీడ్ డేటా? జస్ట్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ employee dot objects dot all. First print in the HTML page. Next how to implement I will tell. What it is? EMP list. Completed. Send this one. How to send? Return render. I'm getting request comma test app slash index.html. Send dictionary. How to send? EMP underscore list colon EMP list. Completed. Up to here, no doubt anyone. Copy. Come to here. Sir, ఇప్పుడు index.html కావాలి. Okay. Come to the project. Right click on main project. Folder. Templates. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోయింది అది? వారిని ఓహో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిందా? డిలీట్. సారీ. ఎంఏ ప్రాజెక్టు కదా. రైట్ క్లిక్ న్యూ ఫోల్డర్ టెంప్లెట్స్ ఫోల్డర్ టెస్ట్ యాప్. ఇన్సైడ్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ రైట్ క్లిక్ ఫైల్. ఏమిద్దాం? index.html. సరే ఇప్పుడు కోడ్ రాయటం కన్నా రీసెంట్ గా సిబివి ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎక్కడో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్డ్. దేనిలో? ఎంప్లాయీ డీటెయిల్స్ సిబివి అనుకుంటా. బేసు కంపెనీ కాదు, ఎఫ్బివినా? ఫైనల్ సిబివిలోనా? ఇండెక్స్ లేదుగా. ఇండెక్స్ పేజ్ ఉంటుంది దేనిలోనో. ఎఫ్బివి కరడు ప్రాజెక్ట్. యా ఇంటెలిజెంట్ నువ్వు. మరి 2 ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో. సెషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ దానిలో ఎంప్లాయీ డీటెయిల్స్ టేబుల్ ఉండదు కదా. ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్ డిస్ప్లే కావాలి నాకు. టేబుల్ చెప్తానండి ఒక నిమిషం. బాడీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ రెడ్, వైట్, ఎల్లో, ఇండెక్స్లో ఉంది ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్, నెంబరు. ఇది సరిపోద్ది. టేక్ దీస్ 1 minute చెప్తా. మై ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు దీనికి ఎక్స్టెండ్ తీసేసే బదులు టేక్ ఏ ఫైల్ బేస్ డాట్ HTML, అక్కడ బేస్ పేజ్లో కోడ్ ఉంది కదా, కాపీ పేస్ట్ ఇట్. సరిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు సరిపోయింది కదా. దిస్ ద బేస్ పేజ్, జస్ట్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్ all I'm given there, body block. Okay, come to index. కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ some unnecessary things are there. What it is, sorry, actions is not there. Remove actions. Okay, EMP list. ఈ buttons are not required for me, remove. ఇంకా this one not required for me, remove. BRs not required. ఇంకా నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. సరిపోయిందా? ఇంకోండి ఎండ్ బ్లాక్ ఉందిగా. ఇంకో ఇది ఎండ్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ ఎంప్లాయీ EMP లిస్ట్, నెంబర్, నేమ్, శాలరీ, అడ్రస్. ఇది హెడ్డింగ్స్ ఫర్ ఎంప్లాయీ. సరిపోయిందిగా. సరే, చాలకపోతే చూద్దాం. దిస్ ఇస్ ద టేబుల్. index.html. After index.html, what is required? URLs is required. ఇంకేమన్నా? if it is necessary, we will add URLs from test app, import views, copy paste. ఇక్కడ data views dot completed story. If your everything success, table will be coming, otherwise it will gone. Okay, fine. Copy, come here, paste it. చెప్పానా? ఓహో, డేటా ఇవ్వలేదా? సారీ, స్లాష్ అయినా రాదు. టెంప్లెట్ ఇవ్వలే. సెట్టింగ్స్, టెంప్లెట్ _dir base dir slash templates. Now ఇంకా now refresh. Welcome to employees list, employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. What is required? Populate.py required. Populate.py. FB will ఉందా? FBలో లేదేంటి? మరి FBలో కాన్సెప్ట్ అదే కదా. ఇది ఉందిగా. ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్ ఏం సరిపోయింది కదా, సేమ్ ఇంకేంటి మరి కాపీ. మనం క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు ఇంకా. సరే, రైట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్, న్యూ ఫైల్, populate.py, paste it, completed job. Any name, py file means any name, మన ఇష్టం అది, ఫైల్ నేమ్. .py mandatory, before name anything. సరే, ఇక్కడ mi, ఇంకా ఎనీ చేంజెస్ రిక్వైర్డ్, నెంబరు, నేము, శాలరీ, అడ్రస్, రికార్డ్స్, ఎంటర్ నెంబర్, పాపులేట్. maximum completed. Come to here, stop the server, py populate.py. I'm running Python program. Enter number of records 50. Inserted successfully. Start the server. Now refresh. So job and the simplify అయిపోయిందో, that is the speciality of Django. మరి ఇప్పుడు what is our requirement? Check here 3871 9738 employee numbers based on ascending order. అక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది మన ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఇదిగోండి, to retrieve all employee according to ascending order of employee number. Now at the time of displaying, just now I'm telling the based on insertion order it is coming. How is inserted we don't know. Because of this command we don't know how it is inserted. అది random number selection కదా. So how it is inserted we don't know, but 50 records are inserted there. Sir, copy this, paste into your populate. Now my requirement based on our requirement we can define our own new methods also inside. అసలు ముందు కస్టమ్ మేనేజర్ క్లాస్ ఏది? we have to create. I will create. Okay, go to models. Idigondi, this is our models. Present only employee class is available there, sir. I have to created one more class. Sir, class name, any name you can give. I am given as a custom manager. This name, your wish, any name you can. But inside you are given, what is the name? Compulsory models dot manager. This is built-in class. Up to now we are discussing that is parent, this is my child class. Now I want to override a method. What is the method name? Just now I'm telling now method name. One built-in method is then parent class. I am get underscore అదిగోండి వచ్చిందా లేదా, అది ఒక built-in method available in parent class. Now I'm overriding. అది predefined method. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ already I explained. ఇదిగోండి, we have to create child class for models manager class. Model manager class executed get query. I am overriding. అదే ఇప్పుడు చేస్తుంది జస్ట్ ప్రాక్టికల్ గా. ఇది క్లాస్, here gets query is with overriding. Method means compulsory what it is required? Self. Okay, done. Now you can tell query how to get the all employees objects. Observe carefully. What is the meaning of super? Parent class method, yes or no? Explanation not required. So what is the method? Gets very good. What is the meaning of that one? Please tell. What it will happen? Line number 6. Is it executed parent class method or not? Parent class method, am I getting total values or not? Yes. In that values, I am applying what is the method available? Sir, ఇవన్నీ predefined methods. You won't do anything. Order by. Which one? Completed. Read 6th line. If any doubt is there, I will explain this line. Getting clarity, everyone now. Super is a method which is responsible to execute parent method. Get query set is a models manager method. Once it is executed, I'm getting all the records. Previously, I'm telling all method execute internally get query. So all records I'm getting and inserted order by employee number. Now give a reference variable. Query set. Simple, return that. Enough. Return which one? Query set. Job completed. Get absolute method ekkundi? ఎక్కడొచ్చింది? అవును, గెట్ అబ్సల్యూట్ మెథడ్ లేదు కదా. Sir, should now super parent class get query is set and employee number return QS. Check the server. My server is fine. It's very happy. Enjoy. If I send the request, am I getting values or not? If I refresh, am I getting employee number in ascending order or not? Yes, because am I customized or not? Why are you thinking too much? Now refresh it. Am I getting ascending order? రాలేదుగా. మరి why? మరి సరే, check it, any error is there? Nothing error. Refresh. Not getting values. Why? ఎందుకు ఇదే ఒక పేజ్ అన్న ఇంకో పేజ్ ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ దండగా? The problem is check it. Observe carefully. The flow you can understand. Sir, HTML page we are sending data. Which data? దీన్ని పంపిస్తున్నాను EMP list. This one sending to HTML. EMP list what is available? Employee.object. Employee content which objects? Those objects internally. Based on insertion order, I am reading sending. Now here two classes are there. అసలు ఈ two classes కి is there any relation is there? మరి ఎలా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుద్ది? పోనీ is it inner class, inner query na? Two different classes. Are you given any link between these two? లేదు కదా. Two independent classes. That's why logic is not applicable. Both are independent. So is it a class or not? Yes. How to create object? Custom object parenthesis. Object creation or not? Yes. Once I'm creating object, you can send a variable. What it is? Object. Now this objects will be sent to your view. Then relation is happened. What is this object? This QS. What is this QS? Parent class method order by. Now check the server restarted. You have to refresh. Definitely it can be applied. Came, not came. That is link between two. Just you have to create your object to your employee class. Then that objects will be returned. ఎందుకని ఇదిగోండి ఎంప్లాయీ క్లాస్ లో ఏమున్నాయి ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్? దీని ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? QS. వాట్ ఈస్ QS? ఇది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ నే కదా మనం కాల్ చేస్తుంది వ్యూస్ లో. గో టు వ్యూస్, ఎంప్లాయీ డాట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. దాట్స్ అ లింక్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ దేర్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as custom manager. How to implement your custom manager. ఇదే కాదు, you have to declare your own methods also. Sir, is it my method? This one. Is it my method? Built-in method. Built-in method. Predefined method. Not my method. But I want my own method I can require. Possible. not model manager, custom manager only. Ante my own method, sir. Own method ante enti any name. Def. Okay. Mahesh is the method name. Own method means any name can I give or not? My wish. Ala meaningful names you can give. That is also possible. For example, I want to display employee details whose salary is greater than 15,000, less than some 20,000. Daniki method you can declare. Sir, this own method. Method name, any name you can give. Now, what can I give method name? Get underscore employee underscore salary underscore range. Self is the first variable in the method. Okay. Salary called make only two arguments. Minimum salary and two variables are required. Sir, this is normal method implementation. Classes how we are implemented, same story. So def is the keyword. That is my own method name, not predefined. That's any suggestions are not coming. Whenever you are typing get query, suggestion came because predefined method. Sir, inside you have to write the query set. What I have to write query set? Which I want to execute? Super. Super dot. What is the method? Get when you predefined gets query. What I want to do? Filter of what I want to filterization. Yes, sal underscore range. I have to give two parameters are there. What are two parameters? Minimum salary, comma, max salary over. Return that query set. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? లింక్ అయిపోయింది ఆల్రెడీ. ఒకసారి లింక్ ఇంకేం లింక్ చేస్తాం? ఇదిగో అయిపోయింది కదా. దట్ క్వెరీ సెట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి రిటర్నింగ్. మరి ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? హౌ ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్? కెన్ ఐ రీఫ్రెష్ HTML పేజ్? ఈజ్ ఇట్ గెటింగ్ ఇట్? వస్తుందా? ఈ మెథడ్ ఏంటి? యూజర్ డిఫైన్డ్ మెథడ్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు కాల్ దట్ మెథడ్. అసలు ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఎక్కడ పాస్ అవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ commented. Yes. What to do? Employee dot objects dot. What is your method name? Get underscore em. That method you can call. Get underscore e method call cheyandi. Your wish 15,000 comma 20,000. Return these values. MP underscore list. 2,000 ఇచ్చాను. సరే ఇప్పుడు సరిపోయిందా సార్? ఈజ్ ఇట్ మై మెథడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? మై మెథడ్ ఓన్లీ. ఐ డిక్లేర్డ్ దేర్. ఐఎమ్ రిటర్న్. నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీఫ్రెష్. చెక్ ద సర్వర్ స్టేట్. ఫైన్. రీఫ్రెష్. వా, ముగ్గురు ఉన్నారు. 15 to 20,000 అయిందా లేదా ఫిల్టరైజేషన్? సో దట్ ఈస్ మై ఓన్ మెథడ్, నాట్ గెట్ క్వెరీ సెట్. చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్. ఇది నా ఓన్ మెథడ్. సో ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ అడ్వాంటేజ్, you have to write 100 lines of the code, big logic, just to call this method into views.py. This is called as custom manager model. Sir, alage someone is asking something. Oh, sir, I want to display employee sorted by my wish. Maybe I can ask employee name or employee number or employee salary. Anything I can ask. Create one method for that. And I can ask ikkada in the views lo I can pass parameter. The parameter may be enum or maybe esal. Anything I can pass. Filterization law. For that you have to create one method in model class. Now observe, I have to create one more method. Def ఈసారి get underscore emp underscore sorted by which one? Your wish, anything you can pass there. Adi emp number, emp cell, and anything. First variable, what it is? Cell. Second one, it is asking one parameter. And one argument. Argument one argument I'm passing. At the time of calling this method, compulsory you have to pass one argument. What it is? Arg1. దానికి ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ పారామీటర్ లాగా ఐఎమ్ గివెన్. ఓకే, డన్. టెల్ ద క్వెరీ సెట్ సూపర్ డాట్ గెట్ క్వెరీ సెట్. వాట్ టు డూ? ఇదిగోండి, సింపుల్. ఆర్డర్ బై విచ్ వన్? parameter. Whatever you're passing there, that I'm passing here. Stored into QS query set. Return that. Return the query set. Any doubt here in this one? One my predefined method, one argument I am passing. Now, what to do here means save. Views. Views currently. Here you can change. Comment it. Please tell employee dot objects dot. What is the method? Get is one emp sorted by my own method. It is inside what you want to give. Can I give ename, eSalary, your wish? Any parameter you can pass. Own parameter. Now emp underscore list equal to. Now checks are. 3 records are there. Refresh. Alexander, Aman, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, W. Work. Complete, not completed? Completed. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఒకటే ఫంక్షన్. సార్ నాకు ఇలా వద్దు, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ శాలరీ. ఈ నేమ్ బదులు యూ కెన్ గివ్ ఈ సాల్. యువర్ జాబ్ కంప్లీటెడ్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ కస్టమ్ మేనేజర్. ఇంకోండి ఇక్కడ సింపుల్. Comment it, paste. Don't give e-name. I want to give e-salary. Andikane I am given their parameter name. What we are importing? Don't need to import here. That is a method. Already employee is there, na? Employee class is there. What import is required? Is it my method or not? View lo you are not importing anything. How are you calling these methods అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సార్ చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుద్ది? శాలరీ. నౌ చెక్ ఇట్, అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. రీఫ్రెష్. ఇదిగోండి, శాలరీని బట్టి అయింది చూడండి. 11,000, 15, 16, 19, 23, 29, 50. చూసారా? లెఫ్ట్ అండ్ రైట్ వస్తుంది ఒకటే. ఓన్లీ వన్ కాల్. ఇప్పుడు నీకు వరాయికల్లో 2 కాలమ్స్ బట్టి అవుతుందా? 1 కాలం. 2 కాలమ్స్ కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? ప్రీవియస్ గా సో మెనీ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ 2 కండిషన్స్, ఆర్, యూనియన్, ఎక్స్ట్రా. అలా బేస్డ్ ఆన్ కండిషన్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్. సార్ ఇక్కడ శాలరీస్ మరి ఎంతెంత వచ్చినాయి? పాపులేట్ లో 10,000, 2 lakhs ఇచ్చాను. అది సరిపోను లేదోటే. సరే, నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్. డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ కావాలంటే జస్ట్ వ్యూస్ లో మైనస్. నౌ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ విత్ రివర్స్. ఇదిగోండి, హైయెస్ట్ శాలరీ 1,93,936. సరే, సింపుల్ గా కస్టమ్ మేనేజర్ త్రూ I can created my own methods, sir. ఇంకోండి, ఇదే హౌ టు డిఫైన్ అవర్ స్టోరీ చెప్పింది. హౌ టు అవర్ ఓన్ మెథడ్స్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద క్లాస్. ఫస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ predefined. Get query set only. Remaining all are my own methods. దీన్ని you can give views.py. views.p లో జాగ్రత్తగా you have to implement. Even in ename we can give. Yes, you can give, no problem. See, whatever you have doubts, you can give and check it. What will happen, we will get it. They're completed. Custom manager. This is the way. Can I go with proxy model? Proxy means duplicate. Yes sir, no. Suppose tomorrow telephonic interview is there. You are not in a position interview. Okay. You got a call from HR. You can call, you can get only telephonic interview. It is no direct face-to-face round. The call is given to the Naresh. Simply, this intelligent boy sending this call to Mahesh. Can you please attend my interview like that? Then he is given response to this person. How proxy calls are there? Same here also. Same, one proxy database table I created. Instead of touching original database, I can use that proxy. How we are getting? Huh? Important. ఎవరు చెప్పారు? అసలు ఇక్కడ టాపిక్ ఏం జరుగుతుందండి? డేటాబేసెస్. డేటాబేసెస్ లో without touching original database, how to create one dummy database from there to I'm accessing data. That is called as proxy model. Sir, that is the Surely Monday I will tell that proxy model finished. Tuesday, Wednesday, deployment. Then Django successfully completed. 2 months but in the Kataga. April, May, 2 months. May 17. Today 13. Tomorrow 14. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 17. Exactly 2 months completed. What after REST API? After REST API, you can attend interviews. No, before REST API, JavaScript is required. Sir, inga time undaga. Can I go with one Python question? Morning I asked this question. In development, GitHub is there. Yes. Git is there, GitHub is there. I will explain what is the GitHub differences. Okay. Tuesday class, you will get clarity. Tuesday, Wednesday class. RESTful, REST API. Amit, I will give full clarity. Okay, na? What is REST API? What is normal API? What is RESTful services? Word to word, I will explain for you. Wait. Sir, idi story of today class completed. Sir, can I go to that Python question now? Important, very, very important in interview. Definitely you will get that question. Sir, first one, you have should clarity about aliasing and cloning. Because who are attended my regular classes, Python classes, they know about aliasing and cloning. What is the meaning of first aliasing and cloning? Aliasing means one object, two references are available. That is called as aliasing. For example, check it carefully. Sir, I created one object will be there. Some content is there. 20, 30, 40. Now, I'm given as a L1. Next, I'm given as a another one L2. Sir, here how many objects are there? Only one object. How many references? Two. By using one reference, if I change the content, it is affected to both or not? Yes, that is called as aliasing. Observe with examples I will tell. Cloning is copy aliasing, single object, two references. Is aliasing and cloning are same as shallow and deep means in terms of their IDs. Deep cloning, shallow cloning. Now I will give full clarity today, then your mind will blowing. Check it. Cloning, address is different. Deep copy is the different. Now deep copy also. Sir, wait 2 minutes. You have to wait. Observe carefully. Sir, here I'm given L1 equal to L2. Okay. I'm given L1 of 0 equal to 999. What is the meaning of this one? Is it aliasing or cloning? It is a cloning. Very good. Cloning means two addresses are different. Here two addresses are different. Same. Same only. But is it cloning? It is calling aliasing. First, I'll remove the two words, shallow, deep. Remove words. Inject your mind first these two words. What it is? Okay. Then I will come to shallow and deep. Observe. Sir, here, if I am given, observe carefully. This meaning is we are just creating duplicate. Remember these words, reference variable. Nothing but aliasing. నేను అడుగుతుంటే ఎవరు దీన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి ఏమంటున్నారు? షాలోనా డీప్ కాపీ అనా మీరు అనేది? ఇవాళ టెల్లింగ్ దీన్ని షాలో కాపీ అంటారు. కాపీ చేస్తే దాన్ని డీప్ కాపీ అంటున్నారు. అవునా? నౌ లిజన్, ఐ విల్ గివ్ క్లారిటీ. అబ్జర్వ్. Sir, this concept is nothing but simple aliasing. Here the problem is, check it. If I change by using one reference, py test dot py. Okay. ఇక్కడ ఏం జరిగిందంటే one object, two references. I updated with చూడండి L1, L2 both are updated or not? Update. So this concept is nothing but aliasing. Remember very carefully. This is first example for aliasing. If I run, this is the output you are getting. Okay, fine. Sir, the problem with the aliasing, what happened? By using one reference, if I change value, all references are affected. That is the first problem. Observe carefully. The problem with aliasing is by using one reference, if we perform any changes, automatically those changes will be reflected for the Yes or no? Yes. But how to overcome this one? We go with cloning. Second one, if we want to duplicate object, instead of duplicate reference variable, then we should go for what it is, cloning. Sir, how to get the cloning? Same concept, observe. L1 dot, what is the function I'm using? Copy. Then we are creating a duplicate list object I am creating. Nothing but cloning. By using this, it is affected only L1, not L2. Check it. Yes or no? What is the meaning of this one now? Two separate copies are there. L1, L2, independent copies, two addresses are there. What is the concept of this one? This is called as cloning. మీ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో ఏం చెప్పారు? This is called as deep copy. Previous one called as ఇది shallow copy. అది okay. No. Now check it carefully. Cloning ante idi. If two independent copies are there, if you change one reference object, only one object is affected, not another one. That is the cloning. Aite, now at the time of cloning, you have to tell now shallow cloning and deep cloning. This is the main concept, confusion subject, everyone, not only in you. You can check it, YouTube, Google, answers you can ask. No one telling proper this one. Some guess whenever I am asking, what is the meaning of shallow copy means? Whatever you are telling, that answer everyone telling. Sir, shallow cloning is nothing but aliasing, sir. Deep cloning is nothing but cloning, sir. Like that they are telling. అంతేనే కదా? మీరు కూడా ఇది సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పారు అందరూ. దాన్ని whenever given aliasing, that is shallow copy. Cloning is nothing but deep cloning. Yes sir, no na? Yes sir. Now observe here. Now I will give another example. Check it carefully. Sir, now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What it is? Nested list. Okay. Now I'm given L1 dot copy. I'm given L1 dot copy. Is it created cloned copy or not? Based on your answers, you can tell. Now L1 of 0, I am given 777. What will happen, sir? Only L1 is affected or not affected? L2, is it affected? No. Okay. Check the outputs also carefully. So here I am doing just cloning only. Still we are not entering shallow copy. Okay. Observe, only cloning only I did. Now you have to tell, sir, I want to provide that with L of 2 of 0. Observe carefully. L1 of 2 of 0 equal to 999. What will happen? 30 place low triple correct, because L2 of 0 ante kada. Now my final question, is it affected L1 or L1 L2? only L1, L2 also modified. Check the program carefully, tell. దేన్ని ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, దేన్ని మారుస్తున్నా నేను? ఓన్లీ L1 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ టు ఓన్లీ L1 2 of 0. Who are telling that? Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Both L1, L2 should be affected. If you have any doubt, execute it. Check it if you have any doubt. L2 కూడా update అయిందా లేదా? This is called as shallow cloning. ఇది shallow cloning అంటే. మరి నాకు ఏం కావాలి ఇప్పుడు? సార్ అసలు యు ఆర్ అప్డేటింగ్ L1 of 2 of 0, వై L2 అప్డేట్ అంటే అప్పుడు నాకు కావాల్సింది డీప్ క్లోనింగ్. దెన్ 2 కాపీస్ విల్ బి. అది అంటే ఫస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఎలియాసింగ్ క్లోనింగ్. క్లోనింగ్ లో 2 clonings ఆర్ దేర్, షాలో క్లోనింగ్ అండ్ డీప్ క్లోనింగ్. షాలో క్లోనింగ్ మీన్స్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్. మరి ఎవ్రీవన్ టెల్లింగ్ L1 ఓన్లీ. యూ చెక్ అవుట్పుట్ L2 కూడా అప్డేట్ అయిందా లేదా? సార్ ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే ఇంటర్నల్ ప్రాసెస్ ఐ విల్ షో, అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. ఫస్ట్ యూ క్రియేటెడ్ L1, ఓకేనా? అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. L1 వాల్యూ 20. అయ్యో, ఓకే సార్. L1 లో ఏమున్నాయి సార్ వాల్యూస్? 50, ఎక్కడ 20. జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, పెన్ను పేపర్ ఉంటే రాసుకోండి, ఎక్కడన్నా గుర్తుంటది. L1 సార్ ఇదేంటిది? ఇది 0 పొజిషన్ 1, ఇది 2 కదా. 2 ఎందుకని ఇవ్వలేదంటే వేర్ ఇస్ ద 2 వాల్యూస్ అవైలబుల్? అనదర్ లిస్ట్ కదా. టేక్ అనదర్ లిస్ట్. నౌ 2 ఈజ్ పాయింటింగ్ దిస్. నౌ ఈజ్ ఇట్ L1 ఆర్ నాట్? అంతే కదా. 10, 20, సెకండ్ పొజిషన్ లో 30. వాట్ ఈస్ సపరేట్ లిస్ట్? 50 ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ దేర్. నౌ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ యాజ్ ఏ అనదర్. మీరేం చేశారు? కాపీ అంటే యువర్ ఎజంప్షన్ ఈజ్, సార్ నేను కాపీ చేశాను కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ గెట్టింగ్ అనదర్ లిస్ట్. ఈ లిస్ట్ లో హౌ మెనీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 10, 20. నౌ ఇక్కడ టేక్ 50, 20, 10. Now this is also pointing to this one. అది ప్రాబ్లం హ్యాపెండ్. ఇక్కడ ఆ లిస్ట్ 2 కి ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ క్రియేటెడ్ సపరేట్ ఇంటర్నల్ లిస్ట్. L1, L2, if you have observed L2. ఇప్పుడు see the diagram. L1 of 2 of 0 ఏంటిది? 30. L2 of 2 of 0 ఏంటిది? 30 ఓన్లీ. This concept is nothing but shallow cloning. Are you getting thoda? Nahi. Thoda. This is called a shallow cloning because of L1 0 10, L2 0 10, L1 120, L1 L2 different addresses, but the problem is nested list is pointing to both the same only. If you can do, you can tell what is the L1 of 2 of 0? 30 only. L2 of 2 of 0? 30 only. That is the reason L1, L2, any reference you can use, both are affected. This is called a shallow. నాకు ఇలా వద్దు. ఎలా కావాలి ఇప్పుడు? సపరేట్. అసలు డోంట్ యూజ్ దిస్ వన్. వై ఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ వన్? టేక్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ separate copy. Here you can pointing to 30, pointing to 40. Give this reference to here. Now both are independent or not? Yes. L1 of 2 of 0, 30. L2 2 of 0, that 30 will be updated, not this one. Now see, sir, there is no connection. Both are separated. ఇప్పుడు L1 if you update, L1 only updated. If you update L2, this type of is called as deep cloning. Are you getting it now? That is the problem. So previous one, it is done as a shallow cloning. In nested list is available, then only this concept is applicable. Shallow cloning and deep cloning. That is the reason whenever I am doing, yes. So now this is happened there. For example, you tell, observe carefully. L1 of 2 equal to 999 M given. What will happen? జాగ్రత్తగా ఆలోచించి చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్. ఏమనిచ్చాను నేను? L1 of 2 అన్నా అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? 30లో చేంజ్ చేద్దా? 30, 40 మొత్తం రీప్లేస్డ్ విత్ 999. L2 does not affected. If you have any doubt, check it carefully. Sir, are you getting it? ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరిగింది? ఓన్లీ 30, 40 will gone. Total 2 I replaced with 999. Second one not. If you change internal content, then only it is affected. Shallow cloning ante. Both not changes, Amit. Because it is a fundamental data type. 999 means integer. Fundamental I am given. Now check it slowly. I will give examples. You can practice it later on. Sir, if I am given like this, okay, copy. This is called as shallow cloning. Shallow cloning. Because both are having same. If we run the program, both should be affected. You can check outputs, you will get clarity. This is the manak deep cloning kavali. How to do the deep cloning? That is my question. If you updated L1, only you can update L1. Don't affect to L2. Copy this time with the అసలు మొత్తాన్ని పోతే క్లోనింగ్ కావాలంటే కాపీ ఉండాలి కదా. ఫస్ట్ కాపీ కంపల్సరీ, దెన్ క్లోనింగ్. క్లోనింగ్ లో షాలో అండ్ డీప్ క్లోనింగ్. ఇదిగోండి సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాను? ఇఫ్ ఐ గో విత్ దిస్, దెన్ టోటల్ వాల్యూ రీప్లేస్. చెక్ ఇట్ 1 by 1 ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. ఇప్పుడు L1 updated, L2 no, because it is a fundamental data type. Fundamental, sir. అందుకనే total value changes. Take this example. Now, based on my diagram I'm given now, both independent copies I can required. Separate copies. Observe carefully now. Final touch. There is a module is there. What is the module name? Copy. Now, you have to send copy of L1 you can give. Copy of L1. Copy is the module name dot copy of L1. Then what will happen? L1 of 2 of 0. Is it affected L1 and L2? Only what happened? Both affected, not affected? Sorry, both are affected means happily you can tell what it is. Yes. అసలు మీరు ఇంకా ఆలోచించదు. బోత్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అయిందంటే ఒకటే పాయింట్, షాలో క్లోనింగ్. చెక్ ద అడ్రస్. Now I need deep cloning. Separate. Now here you can use simple deep copy. What you can use? A word deep copy. Then it should be affected only L1. Check it if you have any doubts are there. Is it affected L2? No. And ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది లిస్ట్ సెకండ్ పాయింటింగ్ టు సపరేట్ లిస్ట్ సెకండ్ కాపీ 2 సెకండ్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఇచ్చాను కదా దట్ ఈస్ అప్లికేబుల్ సరే ఇది డీప్ కాపీ అంటే డీప్ క్లోనింగ్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ లిస్ట్ ఇన్సైడ్ లిస్ట్ ఇది షాలో కాపీ ఇది డీప్ క్లోనింగ్ కాపీ is the module inside deep copy. Then you have to take this example, check it, you will get full clarity. Adi shallow cloning and deep cloning difference. If you want next you can check it ever wish inka idigondi ippudu I want to change L1 of 2 of 0 equal to 333. Now check it. రెండు ఒకటి ఇచ్చాను నేను చూడండి సారీ నౌ యూ కెన్ చెక్ ఇదిగోండి L1 లో 333 L2 లో అంటే రెండు ఇండిపెండెంట్ కాపీస్ తయారైపోయినా లేదా దేనికి దానికి ఇంటర్నల్ కూడా సపరేట్ క్రియేటెడ్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ డీప్ కాపీ సార్ అట్లా యూ కెన్ చెక్ ఇట్ డీప్ కాపీ అయింది కదా అడ్రసెస్ సపరేట్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా అసలు ప్రింట్ ఐడి ఆఫ్ L1 of 2 comma ID of L2 of 2. And I'm asking L1 ID, L2 ID. Both should be different. నేను డీప్ కాపీ కదా దేని దాన్ని సపరేట్ డీప్ సపరేట్ అయిపోయింది Now are you getting it? Shallow and deep copy. అది అసలు మీనింగ్ అసలు ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయిందంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎలియాసింగ్ అండ్ క్లోనింగ్ క్లోనింగ్ లో అగైన్ 2 types are there shallow cloning deep cloning shallow cloning means if one is affected second list also affecting instead of that I need to go to deep cloning. First, if original object does not contain any nested objects, then it is highly recommended to go for which one? Shallow cloning. Simple process. No sir, nested object is there. Compulsory deep cloning is required. If original object contains any nested objects, then compulsory we should go for deep cloning. Adi final conclusions are whatever
Recording
I want
stopped.
to tell about shallow cloning and deep cloning, the difference. Class is over today. Bye bye online guys. Monday I will tell proxy model. Enjoy the weekend. Monday we will continue.